What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your external drive is not showing up on your Mac. This issue is often related to the wrong drive format, permission issues on your Mac, or a damaged cable or hub. First, make sure to properly connect your external drive. If the drive icon is not showing up on your desktop, then open up your Finder. Next, click Finder in the top navigation to access your Finder settings. Here, in the General section, make sure External Disks is enabled, otherwise these items will not show up. You can then close this window and make sure that your external drive is connected directly to your Mac, without using a low-power hub or dongle if you can. You should also consider changing the cable. While doing this, make sure to restart your Mac. This is a simple step, but often solves USB initialization bugs when reconnecting your external drive. Next, let's verify your system and file format. In your top navigation, click on the Apple icon and then About this Mac. Next, click on More Info and then System Report. Here, on the System Information window, head to the Thunderbolt and USB section to verify if your external drive, USB stick or hard drive is recognized by your system. You should see the drive name listed here. If you are unable to see it, then the problem is related to your external drive, and you should test it on another device. You might be required to completely reformat it before your Mac can recognize it. To repair or reformat an external drive on your Mac, close these windows. Open up your Spotlight search and open Disk Utility. On the left side, select your external drive if it's showing up, and then click on First Aid at the top right. This will take a minute to fix volume headers and partition map errors. Then back up the data if there's anything on the external drive that you want to keep, and then click on Erase, which will allow you to reformat the drive to exFAT, which is usable by Macs and Windows machines, or APFS, which only works on your Mac. After that, the drive should appear in your Finder and be usable. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.